Pharmacists, being an integral part of healthcare team, have a remarkable contribution in public healthcare delivery with increasing healthcare demand globally, especially in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. Pharmacists are involved at all junctures of healthcare system, starting from new medicine discovery, chemical synthesis, drug testing by chemical and biological methods, herbal medicine, medicine manufacturing, quality control, sales and distribution, and finally, medicine usage vigilance. COVID-19 has provided tremendous boost to the pharmaceutical industry and ushered a new era of artificial intelligence in all domains like incorporation of smart apps in medicine distribution, development of smart diagnostics, telehealth and home health services. Job opportunities have increased many folds in last 1 year. However, job is acquired through skilled knowledge and training. Indore Institute of Pharmacy has become the destination for industry-ready professionals. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Director General, Shri Arun S. Bhatnagar Sir, IIP is excelling in various domains. Recently, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Mishra, Principal, IIP, and Dr. Pankaj Dikshit, HOD, Department of Pharmacology, have successfully filed 2 Indian patents, and Dr. Dinesh Kumar Mishra has also received the most prestigious Professor G.P. Talwar Young Scientist Award. IIP is dedicated to provide best quality education to their budding pharmacists. Despite the restrictions posed by the pandemic of COVID-19, the students are provided tutoring in pharmacy via use of digital pedagogy that emphasized asynchronous learning, split classrooms, and flipped classroom techniques. A digital library encompassing all syllabus references is also provided to students to help them learn from home. IIP is dedicated to put the best efforts to make their students competent enough to face any challenge in their professional career. With this goal, the concept of Special Interest Group has initiated by Honorable Director General Sir to impart the skills in their students and make them industry ready and enhances the employability quotient. These activities aim at incorporating the skills on good laboratory practices, pharmaceutical instrument handling, tablet expertise, herbal formulation, manufacturing and analysis. SIG on clinical trial is initiated to impart knowledge about clinical trial and pharmacovigilance and fulfill the demand of pharmacists in clinical research. SIG on quality management system and pharmaceutical marketing is initiated to develop quality management and pharmaceutical marketing skills. Keeping abreast with the future trends like need to understand and perform data analysis, the students are also taught computer essentials like SIG codes in data analytics to enhance their employability quotient. Dedicated staff, excellent facilities, and committed students have effectively combined to make the IIP a name to cherish with.
Hi, I'm Neha Khanzode, a B Pharmacy student at Indore Institute of Pharmacy. Just like you all, even I was confused after my higher secondary where to start off my journey from. And then I certainly found the best college, the Indore Institute of Pharmacy, which not only fulfilled my dreams but also gave me wings to fly. Under the leadership of highly experienced head of Department of Placement Cell and Career Development Cell, brought about an immense growth in the developing and transforming of students into the corporate world, using various exponential and other learning methodologies. With an eye of acumen, the Career Development Cell and the Placement Cell delivered exceptional results. I got placed in various MNCs such as Collabora Incorporation, Integrated Resources and Infotree Global. The initiative was taken by digital profiling of every student with assessment by industry experts HR. Each campus drive was a learning experience to know myself better. Our Honorable Director General Shri Arunas Bhatnagar Sir himself was a pragmatic man. From the initial stage of lockdown, the institute took a pledge to keep everyone safe and conducted regular online classes. Besides this, to let the students of IIP stand different from others, various special interest groups, SIGs such as SIG on Pharma Marketing, Pharmacovigilance and MS Excel were conducted for the betterment of students. It's a collaborative attempt of faculties and students to deliver such remarkable results, and I'm glad to be a part of IIP family.